Hi everyone, and welcome to the 2021 IAA Mobility, which is still pretty busy, as you can probably hear. I'm Felix, and this is the all-new Mercedes-AMG GT63 SE Performance, the first performance hybrid from Mercedes-AMG and a trailblazer for many great products to come. But to tell you more about this car and many others that are here, we brought our CTO, Jochen Herrmann. Hi.
Hey Felix, how are you doing?
Very good. How are you?
Oh, pretty good.
So, Jochen, please tell us, how did you transfer the typical AMG driving experience into the electric future?
You know, AMG, it's all about performance. So what we did, we still left the V8 engine in the front, but we added a powerful electric engine to the rear axle, including a battery. So for the first time, we bring Formula One technology to a broader AMG portfolio, and we will bring e-performance to the next level.
Awesome. So e-performance really means e-performance.
Oh, absolutely. You know, e-performance for us, that's a superior performance added with impressive driving dynamics and the highest level of efficiency.
But I think we got another very special car here today.
I guess I know what you mean. Want to follow me?
Oh yeah. So actually you could say this is pretty much the first of its kind.
Yeah, you know, in this new era of Mercedes going fully electric, this is the first AMG performance car. And it's called the AMG EQS53 4MATIC Plus.
So are there already some specs and facts and figures you can share about this car?
Yeah, sure. I mean, we have two engines, one on the front, one on the back, and they add up to 484 kilowatt of power. So we have a special battery management system. And if someone chooses the optional AMG Dynamic Plus package, we will have 560 kilowatt with a tremendous, mind-blowing race start.
I can only imagine with those performance figures, I mean, acceleration must be through the roof.
Oh yeah, it feels like. And you know, if you look at the figures, it's 3.4 seconds with this package from 0 to 100 kph.
3.4 seconds in this, which started out its life as a big luxury limousine, basically.
Yeah, it is a big luxury limousine, but we also added a lot of AMG performance DNA to the car. You know, we changed the steering, the suspension, the braking, so it really feels like an AMG performance car.
You already touched on the AMG DNA. Let's talk about the exterior design, because there are some very distinct features that really make it an AMG.
Oh, well, first of all, I think, you know, with the signature grille here, I mean, this is AMG. I really love it. But from there, you could see the A-wing, the front splitter. We have the digital light on the AMG 53. This air inlet here creates a air curtain. So we optimize the airflow here around the car. And that's also the reason why we always use the aerodynamic optimized wheel design. And customers can choose between 21 and 22 inch wheels. We will always have a rear axle steering with the AMG car, and the EQS53 comes with this spoiler here, and of course the AMG badge.
Nice. Looks like an AMG all the way around.
Yeah, feels like an AMG.
Awesome. Let's hop inside.
Oh, come on.
Wow, that's hugely impressive in here.
I think it is. You know, the AMG 53 comes with the hyperscreen. Let's have a look at the AMG specific content.
Nice.
I like the design. You know, you can see the car, and here on this side we have the power, and this side the torque.
Awesome. All the info you need for performance-oriented driving.
Absolutely. And we also have some vehicle data where you can see what the car is currently experiencing, and of course the drivers as well. Energy flow.
Always important in an electric car.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. And also the individual electric motors in the front and in the back.
Yeah. Now, if you really would drive, you could see all the things happening up in here.
So it really looks like an AMG inside and out, but does it also sound like one?
Oh, it sure does. You want to hear the race start sound?
Absolutely. Wow, that sounds awesome.
Yeah, I think it sure does. You know, sound is very important for AMG, but it's not only sound. What we do, we touch all the senses that you have, your eyes, your ears, even the body with vibrating. So what we do is we give you a very emotional experience here.
It sure is, and I gotta say, as an AMG enthusiast, I feel right at home in here. Thank you very much for showing me the interior.
Sure.
So, to sum it up, AMG has really taken the electrification and made it its own.
Yeah, electrification at full swing with e-performance on the GT 4-door, where we combine powerful V8 driving dynamics, electric rear axle, and Formula One battery technology. And then, based on the all-electric Mercedes strategy, the AMG EQS.
Hugely impressive stuff. Jochen, thank you so much for showing us around.
Sure.
And if you at home would like to find out more about the AMG EQS53 and the GT63 e-Performance, you can visit our website and all our social media channels. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.